How to send photos from gallery to email or Gmail on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here click on folder. So after click on folder, click on this three dot icon and click on select. So after click on select picture from here. So after select picture, click on share. So after click on share, scroll down and now here showing you email and Gmail. So if you want to see email and Gmail, so click on more. So your more apps is showing here. For example, click on Gmail. So after click on Gmail, type contact and you will see. So after the process, click on this send icon. So after click on send, you will see your pictures and send. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can send photos from gallery to email or Gmail on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.